A liquid drop of diameter 2 mm breaks into 512 droplets. The change in surface energy is alpha into 10 to the minus 6 joule. The value of alpha is dash and the surface tension is given. So as you know, when a larger droplet is breaks into the smaller droplets, say 512, then the surface energy is increased. Okay? So first we want to write that the radius of the larger droplets as a small r, a capital R, and the small r is the radius of the smaller droplet. Since the diameter is given, so therefore we can write capital R equals to d by 2, so which is equals to 1 millimeter. If I convert it to meter, we can write 1 into or 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Now, we can write that the volume of 512 droplets, which will be never change, which will be equals to the volume of larger drop. Therefore, you can write 512 into 4 by 3 pi r cube equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So, or you can write 4 by 3 pi cancel out, 4 by 3 pi cancel out, and 512 can be written as 2 to the power 9. So, if I use this expression, then we can write small r equals to capital R cube by 2 to the power 9. So that means capital R by 2 to the power 3. That means 8. That means we can say small r equals to capital R by 8. Now we want to calculate, or we can easily write it here. That is 1 millimeter by 8 equals to 1 by 8 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Okay. So we want to calculate the increase in surface area. Increase in surface area. So increase in surface area equals to 512 into 4 pi r square. As we know that the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square minus 4 pi r square. So equals to 512 into 4 pi. If I put the values, a small r square is equals to 1 by 64 into 10 to the power minus 6 minus 4 pi into r square, which is 1 millimeter. So it equals to 10 to the power minus 6. So 64 and 512 will be equals to 8. If I take a common of 4 pi 10 to the power minus 6, 4 pi 10 to the power minus 6, then 8 minus 1, that means 28 pi into 10 to the power minus 6. So as we know, the surface energy equals to surface tension multiply with the increase in surface area. Then we can put the value, since the surface tension is given as a 0.08 Newton per meter into increase in surface area, that will be 28 pi into 10 to the power minus 6. So if you take the pi as a 3.14, then we can write 28 into 3.14, and we don't need to take into account minus 6 into minus 6 because we have only the identity, that is alpha into 10 to the minus 6. So if you do the multiplication, we will be getting the value is nearly equals to 7 into 10 to the power minus 6. And in the question it is given, it should be alpha into 10 to the power minus 6 joule. So therefore, we can say that alpha is nothing but the value of 7. That means option number 2 is right. Thank you.